Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Daddy Easy here. Not going to go into an intro. This is just a update video of the video that I made yesterday on New Year's, December 31st, 2025. This is January 1st, 2026. I don't understand why I got to make this video because a lot of you people, I can't say everybody, it's just I explained directly why you shouldn't install this, and people just don't understand the fact that I explained the situation of why you should not install the drivers. And I'm going to re-explain it again because I did get an update from Lenovo, okay? My PR rep that actually sent me the system itself. This is what they told me, all right? Look up top right now. Maintenance outage alert. Lenovo is currently updating systems from December 31st, 2025. All these drivers that you see right here, that's been updated. These are drivers that you should already have on your system. If you install this, it's not going to do anything to your system. Some of the drivers that's also in here is also rollback drivers. As I spoke to them and I asked them multiple questions, he said, due to the fact that they're doing maintenance on the website, drivers that was pushed out that you guys should already have. All right. He said there is a couple of drivers in there that they did make a mistake with, that it's a rollback. But he said if you do see a rollback, do not install it. If you see something that says you about to install a driver that's old, do not install it. They said they fixing on the drivers on the website, as you can see up top right here. I don't have to say much more. It's maintenance outage right there. That's the reason why you're seeing it. This version right here, version 1.3.4.5. It's the driver that you should be on currently right now. If you did not, and let me reiterate, if you did not get the full screen experience update, which is the Legion Space, the Legion Space update that update the controller settings. Basically, it gives you version 1.3.4.9. If you on version 1.3.4.9, Lenovo said do not install this driver, which is going to roll you back and take off the full screen experience, and it might mess up some things, and most likely will happen. You have to probably do a rollback. You might have to try to wait until you get the drivers again because you might not even get it because you got pushed back, or you have to wait until they officially upload it to the website. That's the reason why I told you guys don't install it. Now, the drivers for the AMD drivers right there, it's the current version you should be on right now. If you did the BIOS update that I did a video on already, you also went to Windows and did the update, and you went to, there's a fix that's actually coming out for that also. But also you need to install this right here. I do have videos, but you need to install this right here. The one I had for December 23rd. You need to remove that because it's a security risk. They're well aware about some of the things that's going on with Legion Space, with a lot of the problems of things not updating inside the app itself. They're working on it, okay? The version that you should be on is version 1.3.4.5. That's the Legion Space. The AMD drivers is the drivers that you should have got through Windows. If you are on any of these drivers, as he explained to me, these drivers is for people that's having, and listen very correctly, because you should not be making comments about anything that I'm basically telling you and explaining to you guys. Only install these drivers if 1, you have errors, 2, corruption. If you have any of these problems, you have the ability to get these drivers back. These are the latest drivers. The December 31st drivers is not an update. It's just the drivers that they put on there for drivers that you already have. All right. Now, like I said before, the person that did the video, he didn't read everything. He didn't put anything up. He just installed it because he's seen new drivers. As I spoke to them, he said they put the drivers in. Sometimes it's not updates. Sometimes it's that drivers that what they get. And because they're doing a maintenance to the website, as you can see up there, let me highlight it for you guys, because it seemed like you guys having problems when I explained it to you guys. But as you can see right here in blue that I highlighted, the website is on maintenance. The December 31st driver updates is for drivers that you already are on. They placed it there because, as you know, Once you get new drivers, they never updated it onto the website and never put the drivers on there. Once you got drivers that's done by Windows or whatever it may do, by Lenovo, whatever it may be, they're supposed to put it on the website. Due to their website being down for a while, the last time I seen this up here was on December 23rd that I seen that it said maintenance. I was told that because it was on maintenance, everything that they posted up there was not being pushed in like it was supposed to. They put in two critical things up there that they needed people to get. That was a BIOS update, and it was this right here, due to a security thing that was done on the 23rd. I did not see this warning until December 25th, because that's when they actually started doing the maintenance. So other than that, the drivers that you are on right now is the drivers that you... Let me start over. The drivers that's on this website is the drivers that you're on right now. I'm seeing a lot of people sitting up there saying that they installed the drivers and nothing happened. It's not going to happen. You just reinstalled the drivers that you're already on. It didn't update it. It didn't downgrade it. If you do come across something that's doing a rollback, it's going to give you a notification saying you're about to roll back to an older version. All right? The drivers that you see on this website is for drivers that you are on right now. And I have to keep repeating myself over and over because I've said it already in my previous video that if you install the drivers, nothing's going to happen. Most likely it's just drivers that was already pushed. I already said that in the video. I don't like the fact that I got to keep repeating myself because people don't understand pure English when you say these are the drivers. That's most likely they just updated that you was already on. And I stated that multiple times. I stated probably about 3 or 4 times in the video previously. This is me saying it again. This is being confirmed from Lenovo. These are drivers that you should be on right now to prepare for the Xbox full screen experience. If you are not on any of these drivers, let me repeat. If you are not on any of these drivers, okay, update. If you're on an older version and you click on it and it updates and don't say anything, if you update it and it still doesn't say nothing even though you have it, you just reinstalled it. Most likely you probably had an error. Most likely you might have had a corruption on it. It's just going to refix it. That's all that's happening when you reinstall it back. I don't know why I have to say this. I don't understand why, but it's up there. This is the update video. I'm going to catch you guys later. I will post a video once Lenovo actually puts up the full screen experience drivers up. I'm already going to get the email. They told me that they're going to send me an email to basically let you guys know when to download it. So I am going to get direct emails from them, okay? This is my PR rep. As soon as it's available, he told me by January 5th, most likely, I can't say hold it to me. You can't hold that to me. It's Lenovo. But they told me by at least January 5th, when the website is fully done out of maintenance, those drivers for 1.3.4.9 should be updated, which is going to be some extra drivers that's going to be updated that they're working on currently right now. They know about a lot of the bugs. They know about a lot of the problems that's going on. They're working on it. They said they can't do nothing because they're changing the website. And as you can see right there, there's a maintenance thing going on right now. I don't know what else to say to you guys. I reached out to them. Got in contact with my PR rep to see what's going on. That's what they told me. This is coming from Lenovo. I can actually put the emails up on the different videos showing the emails directly that was sent to me, the case numbers, all that. Actually, I'm going to put out the case number, wipe it out in my information, but you'll see all that. I already reached out to them. This is the info they gave me, and I'm going to catch you guys later. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, be part of the EYZ. Sorry. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Be part of the DYEZ gang, and I will catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. 1.